When I begged for love, I felt powerless. My dignity seemed to vanish. Then I found this message, and it brought me the energy to change. Let's let each other go, starting with silence. A love without a future only drains emotions. People who lack sincerity bring endless exhaustion. Endless entanglement only deepens the pain of goodbye. Begging for love turns a relationship sour and empty. We must say goodbye to what we cannot hold on to. Some people and things end for the best. When I realized I was the only one unhappy, holding on no longer made any sense. Broken mirrors are hard to repair. Broken hearts harder to heal. This time, I won't look back, and you will lose me completely. I'm ready to face these difficult days ahead. I once thought you were a gift from above. I gave up my dignity and boundaries to please you. But I now see it was all just a fleeting dream. You were a blessing, but also my deepest wound. I finally understand those who stay by my side were never the ones I desperately chased after. Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Subscribe to find peace. Meditation opens the door to calm. Embrace balance and clarity each day. Click the next video to begin your practice.